It is 11:11. So my neighbors probably aren't gonna be too happy about this, but I don't care. Especially their relatives. They got somebody living just, my property line is like 8 to 10 feet past that wall, and not 30 feet past that. I guess he's got some relatives or something staying in a camper, so they're even going to be less happy about this. So we got the V8 and the Dakota running. I think I already took a video of it. I can't remember. I know I did it with my phone and put it online, but I just finished putting the exhaust on it. That's why I got my holy shirt on. And when I say holy, it's holy physically, not holy as in like a religion, because I don't really think anybody worships scorpions. So, anyways, it's a set of headers into a Y pipe, some straight pipe, into a Flowmaster, yeah, one in, two outlet, and then I had to build I built most of it from a eBay kit. It's like aluminized 2.5, and the tips are from an old kit. I think, would they come from eBay too?
Yeah, they came from the exhaust kit that I gave you for the Subaru.
Old School gave me exhaust kit a while back. That's what I put on the V8 Subaru. Then he just brought me the tips, and I ended up throwing them back on his truck. So here we go. Let's fire this up.
Sounds real good, man.
Running a little rich.
Soaked on.
Alright, so we got a V8 and a Dakota that didn't come with a V8 and a body style. Early years wasn't even an option. So once again, it's a motor in something that doesn't belong. It's kind of the MO here. So there's still some tidbits here that we're waiting on, but it's enough. With the front grill shifter on it, it's a brake line that I had, real long brake line, that I put a hook all the way to the shifter into the thing, onto the trans, because we're missing it. And the grill can't go on yet because the fan is wrong. It's a pusher fan, or a puller fan and not a pusher. And because it's the arched blades, you can't just wire it backwards. So got a new fan that's already, it's in, but it's not here. It's at his house. And something else.
Got my kick down cable at the house came in.
Yeah, I got a kick down because it was linkage, and I got a cable for that. Between that, the shifter, and the fan.
Well, what's nice about that shifter, if I rear end somebody, it automatically puts it in park.
Yeah, that's good. So, but it'd be enough. Like I could take it outside, and I got like some work on my maintenance work on my vehicles. Like my tires got to rotate so bad they're going down the road screaming, because they're cheap tires, and I gotta put the exhaust on my wife's truck now that the tune is done on it, and then I gotta carefully take it off in case I ever gotta put it back on. So I say we're pretty good for right now, but at least I got an episode, because I know I'm probably about a week late at this point. But yeah, like I said, it's not a big exhaust. We're just wrapping up this project. If you need any other videos on Flowmasters and V8 exhausts, there's a million online, so probably pick this up, or at least get a short video when it leaves so you can watch it expire with the taillight warranty. The Dakota, after the V8 swap, here we go. You can hear it rumbling, should our Flowmaster. Old school AJ would like to take her out for a spin. It's missing the grill still, hasn't put it on, but he at least wants to go out and do a burnout. And probably drive up down the street, because the only two things left are the kick down and he's got a spacer for the water neck that has ports on it to give him another temperature sensor. So that's what he's going for. Look at that. He got not bad for a eBay exhaust kit and a Flowmaster muffler. Boy, man, look at this. My hair is so light colored. Really looking like I'm going bald here. So, later. Thanks for watching. There's a subscribe button somewhere on the bottom. So, I think it's on this side. But, for you guys in Australia, since it's upside down, I don't know. It could be over here. Leave a comment. Just say down there, like I rambled too much or something. It don't bother me. I don't hurt my feelings because I don't really have much of any. So, whatever. So, catch you later on the next episode.